excessively close, you scumbag. Thank you. Back to Jersey. You're an asshole. Is there a reason why you slowed down? You're at it again, huh? What the fuck is wrong with you? Fuck you. What the fuck your problem is, scumbag? Do you have to save every fucking clip of you now? Can't make up your fucking mind which fucking lane you want to be in. Well, I got a video to make tonight when I go home. That'll be good. Now, if I move to the right lane, are you gonna follow me? I see you looking at me, motherfucker, you know? You a problem, motherfucker? F19NCZ.